everybody, Wilton Hunt over here. We all know content is king, so you definitely always need to be adding more content to your website for social media. So if you're running out of ideas on what to write about, let me show you a nifty tool. It's called Quora. It's very simple. Once you go on Quora.com, and on the top right hand corner, just type in a topic. So for example, let's say you are a roofer, right? And you can just go ahead and type in roofing, right? Or you can just generically type in roof and click enter, right? You will see a bunch of questions that people ask, right? What kind of flat roof material is better? Which roof is best in coastal areas, right? So then you can formulate what are average of a roof replacement, right? Then you can formulate questions, answers based on these questions, right? These are some of the most heavily asked questions. You can put on your website as a FAQ or just as a blog entry or for your social media post. Another example here, let's say your funeral home. You can just go ahead and type in funeral homes on the top right corner and then see, right, do funeral homes and cemeteries accept home built casket? That's pretty interesting, right? So you can look for ideas on here, okay? Can funeral homes cremate pets, right? So you can look for some ideas from here, okay? So use this as a fun tool, right? Again, you go on Quora.com. On the top right corner, you just go ahead and type in the topics of interest, right? Funeral homes, right? Or cemetery, right? That you get to see, right? What are some of the most heavily asked questions? What is this thing using in cemetery, right? So have some fun with Quora. That's how we use to generate blog ideas for any content I'm trying to push out as well.